In this video, you are going to see how to change the charts column color in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Chart and choose a simple clustered column chart. Click on OK. Then a chart will be added. Let us close the Excel file. Here is the default color of the column in the chart. If you want to change the color, suppose I want to change the color of this column, just double click over this column, then it will be selected. Click on right button, go to Format Data Point. Here you will find three options, the fill and line and the shadow. Let us choose this one. Let me pick the solid fill color. Let us choose another fill color from here. And here you will see I have changed the column colors. Now click on the border of the chart. If you click the single click, you can select all the columns with the same color, and if you double click over here, you will select the single column actually. Let us choose this one. Go to over here, fill and line, go to gradient fill, and let us choose a color from here, and here I can change the gradient effect, and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.